YouTube channel. It's your girl Abimbola. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome too. I'm actually rushing now. The time is currently 6:27 a.m. I'm actually on my way to the train station, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. Thank you guys for your support so far in my previous videos. I really do appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. Well, this is actually my first time like using the train, and I was like, okay, it would be a nice way for me to just do something and show you guys and tell you guys my experience. Basically, currently we are now at the train station. I guess it's located in Monia, I think after Monia, I'm not so sure, but yeah, this is the train station in Ibadan, Obafemi Awolowo station, as you can see. And yeah, let's just go on this wonderful journey. Guys, I'm so sorry that I could not even get like a proper video to make, but I'm currently like on my way to Lagos, and I'm obviously going by train, and this is like my first time. Hi guys, so this is my travel buddy for today. And why are you doing like this now? This is our honeymoon. This is how I'm going to post this video like that too. Say hi to my fam guys. What's doing? Why you guys, do we actually look alike? This is no, okay, we don't look alike actually, anymore. I'm not dark. Okay, but yeah. Very slow, sun blue. But that doesn't mean I've actually blown. I've not blown yet. No, like I'll sun blue, my color will come out. Oh, okay. And I will not be shining. Oh, but I'm actually going to upload this video like that. I don't care. But anyways, yes, we're on the move. And I think this is standard. I didn't actually pay for my ticket. Like I didn't do it myself. But I just feel like let me do the video like that. Do you understand? My hand is paining me. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'm actually feeling sleepy. I'm having cramps, but yeah. Let me show you guys my funny face. We are now departing from Ibadan-Lagos station. Well, at this point, I was actually like a little bit tired, but so far so good. I was enjoying the experience. It was fast, surprisingly. It was actually fast. Like we got to Abeokuta like pretty fast. I had to use the restroom at one point. I was like, okay, let me just go and check it out. And what is using the restroom without a selfie, like a video, like it's not possible. But yeah, I was done at the restroom. This is my coach. Was very convenient and very comfortable. I would actually do this again. I really had like a very good time. Please just ignore this particular scene. I don't even know what was wrong with me at this point, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, so we got to Lagos very early. I think it was past 10. We had already booked our ride, brought down our luggages. I actually enjoyed myself. I enjoyed this whole experience because it was very calm. It was soothing. It was something like, this is something I would actually do again. We actually stopped at the bus, like the terminal in Agege. That was where we actually stopped. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you run with me,
gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat.
Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.